Morning, students. So, a new day, and today we are going to do a new poem in English literature, and that poem is At the Window. And this poem is written by Mary Mapes Dodge. Now, before reciting the poem, let's discuss about Mary Mapes Dodge. Now, children, Mary Mapes Dodge, she was an English literature children author. Her full name was Mary Elizabeth Mapes Dodge. She was born on 26 January in 1831 and she died on 21st of August 1905. She was best known for her novel, and the name of that novel was Hans Brinker. She was a recognized leader and she loved to write for children. She was known as American children's author, plus she was an editor. Now, let's move forward, and in today's class we are going to do a poem written by her, and the name of that poem is At the Window. Let's move to first stanza. So children, you can see that there's a little girl sitting at the windowsill, staring at the night sky, the big bright moon and the twinkling stars. Let's see what she says to them. In and out, through the clouds heaped about, wanders the bright moon. What she seeks, I do not know. Where it is, I cannot show. I am a little child, and the night is strange and wild. In and out, wanders the bright moon. In and out, she will find it soon. The last stanza, and it says, there she comes, as clear as day. Now the clouds are going away. She is smiling, I can see, and she is looking straight at me. Pretty moon, so bright and round, won't you tell me what you found? Now children, this was the poem At the Window written by Mary Mapes Dodge. Further, we are going to discuss this poem in detail.